So we have the Powermadd mirror kit here, and this kit is gonna go on onto this Handguard, which is the Powermadd. So let's go inside it and see what's going on. We have some little bolt and nuts with spring. Let's check out the mirrors. Cool. Yes, cool. And you can rotate it. That's nice. So that's the little package we got today. Will be 2 mirrors to put on the bike, you know, and this is the little hardware that we get with it. Alright, you don't know. Alright, so I'm about to put up this mirror Handguard, which is the Powermadd Handguard. So this mirror gonna come like right here, and I'm gonna drill a hole right underneath here, and then that will keep it in place. I have a bolt and nut for it, and I think that will do it. All right, let's move to the next step. Alright, so that was the end of the first mirror. Way up and running. Very simple, you know, and you can rotate it around. Very, very easy to deal with. Yep. So we'll take on the other one now. Okay, so here's a little trick. You can also pull this up and also put it down. So you can put it up when you're ready to ride, and you can also hide it when you don't need it. Cool. Alright, so let's check it out from the other side. Pop it up, pop it down. And it stays right there, you know, to be able to use it. You have the slash that it goes into, and it stays firm. Okay, simple like that. Yeah, you know I'm coming through with some nice cool little gadgets. I hope you guys love this little mirror gadget. You know, I think it was really cool. Not too big, not too small. Just enough for the bike, you know. I'd like to thank you guys for hanging out on this one. Please subscribe, share it with a friend. See you guys in the next video.